See, how some of you girls the reason these days, the thing just dey make me vex anyhow. As I come post family picture yesterday, now so many of you girls they write me say, abeg Lolo, help me find husband. I need husband. I want to have beautiful family like you. I say, okay. But before I even notice now so many guys, they tell them, say, hello, I'm here. I'm interested. I would like to know you. I say, wow. Or I can't see comments of waiting you respond to all those guys. Una tell them, say, who are you? You don't even get money. I don't need you for this life. Now so una they conclude. So because you think say this one no get money, you don't even give Bobo chance. Make him introduce himself. Now what for you guys? Oh, see, make I tell you something. This life na jeje. Oh, you think say this life na easy something? You think say when I met my man, na rich man in B? Na lie, oh, na small boy in B, oh, just like me, na small girl like B. We have to work together. We have to hustle together and make money together. And on top, we get 3 picking. Oh, you think say na easy something? Abeg. See, how many of you now don't pursue on a future husband? But no worry, the wait there, the wait for your rich man to come and carry you. See, even me, you get one person where I know for here, Oyibo lady, single mother with 3 kids. I come meet them the other day, come ask them, how far now you don't find man? She tell me, say, no, it be like, say, no better man for this life again. I say, what thing happen now? She said, me, I don't like all these low salary men wey no get money. I said, now so you be? She tell me, say, she find doctor or lawyer with better salary. Look at this one. I say, which level? This one na confirmed aboki, they find doctor or lawyer. Waiting, I won't call this now. Na confirmed madness be this. Oh God. Oh yeah, make a chill. Oh. Because if I begin para for here, this place no go contain me and you. Una go talk say this Oyibo the craze, oh, this Oyibo, waiting they do this Oyibo. But see, una no say me I love una die. But make una stop to the reason like that. I beg,